Hi, today I'll show you how to restrict or unrestrict someone on Messenger. To restrict someone from your chat, at the top, tap the conversation name. Below Privacy and Support, tap Restrict. Now to restrict someone from your chats list, tap on Chats to view your conversation. Swipe left on your conversation with the person you'd like to restrict. Tap More, then tap Restrict. To see and unrestrict people from your settings, from Chats, tap your profile picture in the corner. From the menu, tap Privacy, tap Restricted Accounts, tap on the person you want to unrestrict, and then you'll be taken to your chat with them. At the bottom of your chat, just tap on Unrestrict. That's it. Thank you for watching. I hope this video is helpful for you. Please give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, turn on the notification bell, and subscribe for more updates.